Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. In this video, we will explore the world of Linux containers, specifically focusing on key concepts like LXC and LXD, their installation, and how to manage them effectively. Whether you are a beginner looking to understand the basics or an advanced user seeking to enhance your container management skills, this video provides valuable insights and practical examples for all. Let's go ahead and get started. Linux containers, or LXC, are efficient virtualization technologies that share the host's kernel. LXD, built on LXC, offers enhanced features like clustering. This guide covers Linux containers, differences between LXC and LXD, and effective container management. Linux containers, LXC, are efficient virtualization technologies that allow multiple isolated environments on a single host. LXD, built on LXC, offers a user-friendly experience with features like clustering and simplified management. This guide covers Linux containers, explaining the differences between LXC and LXD, and how to use these tools for effective container management. LXC provides tools and libraries for creating and managing containers with granular control. LXD builds on LXC, offering a REST API, clustering, and a simplified interface, ideal for managing system containers like lightweight VMs. LXD builds on LXC, offering a powerful and user-friendly way to manage containers. It provides a REST API, clustering capabilities, and a simplified command line interface, making it ideal for managing system containers like lightweight virtual machines. LXC is a comprehensive suite of tools and libraries designed for container creation and management. It offers a low-level interface, allowing for manual setup and detailed configuration control. To install LXD on CentOS/Red Hat, use Snap. After installation, initialize LXD to configure storage, networking, and other settings. For Ubuntu/Debian, follow different installation steps. After installing LXD, run the initialization command. This will guide you through configuring storage, networking, and other necessary settings. Here is the command to install LXD using the Snap Package Manager. This slide covers using LXC and LXD for container management. It includes steps to launch, list, execute commands, and stop or delete containers. Here is the command to stop and delete containers. This guide covers launching and listing containers, executing commands inside them, and introduces Linux containers. It highlights the differences between LXC and LXD and demonstrates effective container management. LXD offers advanced features such as clustering, which allows managing containers across multiple hosts, and snapshot and restore capabilities for containers. This slide covers how to take a snapshot of a container and how to restore a container from a snapshot. It includes capturing the current state, saving it, retrieving the snapshot, and reverting the container. LXD supports clustering, allowing for the management of containers across multiple hosts. Here is a comparison for LXC and LXD and the features each supports. Use LXD for system containers to simplify management. Regularly update LXC and LXD for security and features. Utilize snapshots for quick recovery and backups. Monitor resource usage with tools like Headup or LXC Info to avoid overloading the host. In summary, Linux containers with LXC and LXD offer powerful, lightweight, isolated environments. LXC provides granular control, while LXD simplifies management with a user-friendly interface and features like clustering and snapshots. These tools are ideal for development, testing, or production environments, catering to both beginners and advanced users. Well, that's all for this video. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks again and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye-bye.